This video is for those people who have a horn that is constantly blaring when you stick the fuse back in. So this is the cheapest fix on the market today. This is the second car I've owned. I had an 88 in high school, and this is an 87 with this steering wheel and this horn. Both cars, when they got them, the horn did not work. And when you go down to the fuse panel, this guy here is position 16 and should have a 20 amp fuse in there. So the problem is when I jam this in there, the horn's going to blare because the plates here are no longer separated. Let me show you a fix for that. And so you pop this guy out, which I have done here. All right, this metal plate gets stuck together, so you need something to keep it separate. You see that foam that was in there is deteriorated. So they sell a little replacement pad, or if you had some springy, non-conductive little spacer, that would probably work too. Check that out. I got 4 straws as my separator for this metal plate, and honk, 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 they spring it and keep these plates separate. So let me show you. This is going to work. I now have the fuse in there, and it honks. How about that? So this fix, like I said, using a Chick-fil-A straw, I will guarantee this fix for 1 year. Using any other brand straw, I'll give it 6 months before it doesn't bounce back. So there you go, guys. Enjoy the fix.